back home.
Yeah, I am back home. Whirlwind trip over the last week.
Yeah, he's been gone. I sort of told you about that yesterday. But he's back home, and it is 11 o'clock. We're taking Steve's car in to get inspected. And then McDonald's is right next door. We're going to have lunch while they do that. And then maybe a few other errands and head back home. But we're going to go to Six Flags this afternoon. So that'll be fun.
Yeah, it's the first night of the Fright Fest, Halloween themed at Six Flags. So that should be interesting. It should be fun. Wish we could bring the camera in.
Well, we'll have your cell phone. But when we were there a couple of weeks ago, they were starting to decorate it and get it ready. But now it should be full-blown Halloween at the park.
Get out of there and some slowness issues.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks a lot. You too.
Traffic. Alright, Ryan wanted to stay home today. He's all tuckered out. He had a big week at school, so he'll probably go in a couple of weeks again to Fright Fest. Steve and I are calling it a date night. Date night at Six Flags.
Yeah.
And we'll use our meal pass, so we'll get dinner and a snack. And the last time we were there, we didn't get our new drinks cups for 2017, so we're going to get those as well.
Yeah.
Well, the first time in history, our pool has overflowed. Completely over the rock on this side.
In the middle.
And in the middle here too. And then the other side, you can see that it just barely has a little bit more to go. And you get over here, yep, it's overflowed. I don't know what Steve's doing. I think he's trying to make sure that vent down there, the drains, the water in the pool isn't plugged. Looks like he pulled a leaf out. He's crazy. That's my wonderful husband, everybody. Going out in the rain and getting stuff done. Checking the skimmers, making sure they're not clogged. Warm rain or cold rain?
It's warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's warm.
All right, good morning. It's Sunday. It's 1 o'clock. We're just leaving the house. It's been raining all morning long. A couple of times it stopped raining, but for the most part, it's been raining all morning. Cloudy, nasty. It feels like Seattle weather. Just constant rain. So we had a really light breakfast, and then we watched some shows and just relaxed on the couch. So we had a really relaxing morning.
You forgot the most important thing that we did this morning. That was me beating you in Skip-Bo.
Oh yeah, we played Skip-Bo, and we also played last night and you won.
I know, I'm 2 for 2.
Gosh, anger.
Friendship.
You'll know what that means if you watch Big Brother. So we're going to go to Chewy's and have a late lunch, and then we're going to go to Kroger and pick up dinner, go back home, and it's probably still going to be raining.
All day.
Yeah, all day. I'm hoping that at one point it will stop so we can hang out on the back porch. It's 73 degrees outside, a little bit humid, but not too bad. Yep. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get some yummy Mexican food. 15-minute wait at Chewy's.
I'm ready for chips and salsa.
Me too, and some fajitas. Mango margaritas. I just finished my workout. Crazy, 30 minutes. Sweating. Ryan is practicing the violin in his bedroom, so let's go outside and talk. Oh gosh, it feels so good out here. Oh, it's hot inside. Thermostat's at like 76. Feels really good out here. Alright, I had to get my sunglasses on, even though it's overcast outside and it's really cloudy. It's still bright. That sun is crazy. So, yeah, Saturday was a pretty mellow morning. Then a little bit after lunchtime, Steve and I took off to Six Flags to ride some rides. Ryan stayed home. He had a pretty busy week with school and all that kind of stuff, and you know, he just needed a break. So we let him stay home with the doggies, which was nice because Steve and I got to stay there the whole afternoon. We didn't get home till 9 o'clock. Then on Sunday morning, we woke up to rain. The pool flooded, more rain. Finally, the rain let up a little bit around 1 o'clock. So we took off and we went out and got some lunch, and then went to the store and got a rotisserie chicken and some potatoes to do that for dinner. So we had that for dinner. And then it was a pretty mellow afternoon. We played a game of hearts. That's a card game. Ryan won, I got second place, Steve got last place. We made some margaritas, we hung out and watched some shows on the DVR and got caught up on all that. We're gonna go inside. Ryan's getting started on some math. He already practiced his violin. I did my workout, got my 30 minutes in. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to do my ab workout, and then I'm going to get in the shower. So I guess I'll show you guys what I got set up in there for my ab workout. So let's go check it out. Alright, so here's my setup. Here's my workout mat. I have a resistance band. I have a 10-pound kettlebell. My weights, I have 12, 10, and 5s. And then a fan that I turn on low with some morning light coming in. And yeah, I just stick on a YouTube video or come up with my own workout routine and get it done for 10 to 15 minutes. So Ryan just finished all his schoolwork for me. Math is done, science is done. We got his Word document ready to start his history paper. So Grandma and him will discuss that around 1 o'clock, what he needs to do with that. So let's go out and check and see what the pool looks like. Yikers. Bella's gonna come out with us. So here's the state of our pool. You can see the steps. Bella's gonna get a drinky. You can sort of see the step over there. Nice and murky, swampy looking water. And there's the other step. Now you can't see it, but I can sort of see the bottom, but I don't know how well you can see it in the camera. But yeah, this is what we have to deal with. It usually takes a week to get back to normal with bleach and filtering. Press start.
Go away with your camera.
Press start. Like.
Go away with your camera.
Bye bye. Bye bye, Ryan. We're gonna zoom in on you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
You're going to miss your camera tomorrow morning.
So I went outside. It's a little bit cold, a little bit breezy. Not really a shorts kind of a day, so I'm gonna get in the closet here and pick out some capris and change before I eat lunch and head out and do my errands. So I have a very big selection of capris, but I think I'm gonna go with this pair, a gray pair. So I'm cooking up Ryan some of the last of his chicken strips that were in the freezer with some French fries. And I have leftover rotisserie chicken, and I think I'm going to make a salad to go with it. So then I'm going to head out and do my errands. So I'm just charging my Fitbit, and let's see, just about there, maybe another 5 or 10 minutes and we'll be fully charged. All right, for lunch today, I warmed up some rotisserie chicken that was left over from dinner last night. I made a salad with ranch dressing and sunflower seeds, and then some waters with some Mio fruit punch. You guys want a treaty? Bella, you want treats? You want a treat? Ready, Bella? Oh well. What happened? What happened? Sit. Sit. So Ryan and I are on our own for dinner for tonight. Lock up the back door here. So I think we're just gonna go get some burgers and fries. Sabotage to my diet, but sometimes that's just what happens when there's just the two of us eating dinner. So he's just finishing up playing a game with a friend, and then we could do Subway, but a burger and fries sounds pretty good. You know, I've done pretty good this last weekend. I did pretty good today. Been doing my workouts, so it's nice to kind of treat yourself. And I don't even know if I'll eat the whole burger. So Subway sounds good too. Well, and then on our way home, we have to drop by Kroger. We need to pick up a few things. All right, so we're back home. We ended up going to Jack in the Box. And yes, I got a Jumbo Jack, fries, and an unsweet iced tea. I only ate half the Jumbo Jack. It wasn't really that good. I don't know, I just don't think I'm really into burgers. So I think I'll make like an egg sandwich or something like that in a little bit. Probably be hungry again. So I'll make a egg salad sandwich. So then we went to Kroger. We had to get a few things, show you what we got. Got some of Ryan's maple sausage, so we will put this in the fridge. All right, then I got 2 bottles of the Diet Cranberry Juice, 2 snack size cheese puffs. I figured I'd get the snack size instead of the big bag. So this is portion control. I just have 2. I can't overdo it. So I figure, you know, this will be my treat for the week. Then I needed more of my Starbucks K-Cups. I like the breakfast blend. Starbucks, yummy. And Ryan likes the French vanilla K-Cups, cappuccino. Then I got some more of the Annie's cheddar squares for a snack. Ryan needed some more bread. And then he also picked out some wavy chips to go with the sandwiches. So that's what we got today.